Hi Ben,
Hello, teacher.
how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Uh,
Thank you, teacher.
okay, so what you are going to read?
Um, introduce.
I like
I like to introduce
myself.
myself.
Okay, go ahead.
My name is Jongbon. My surname is Park. My nickname is Ben. I have one brother. I live in Daejeon, Jeongbuk, Chumokdong. I'm a student. I go to school and academy. I want a baseball player because baseball is funny. I don't have a pet. My favorite food is meat. My favorite kind of music is dance. My phone number is 010-6370-4674. My email address is sp020709 neighbor.com. My birthday is July 9. I play on my birthday. I like July because my birthday is July. I play game in my free time.
Smile.
I do baseball on Saturday. I like going baseball stadium. My favorite restaurant is the Italian restaurant. I sometimes go to cinema. My favorite kind of movie is the action movie. I study in my home. I go to bed 9 o'clock. I talk about my family. My mom is a housewife. I like her. My father's job is soldier. He's sometimes scary and funny. I have one brother. My father sometimes is cute and brother.
Brother or father?
Brother.
Brother.
Brother sometimes.
Look, brother.
Brother.
Yes.
Brother sometimes is cute and bothered. I love my family.
Very nice work. Very nice work today. Okay. I'm very happy for this work and thank you so much. Okay. Bye.